Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Ever Best Arabic Advisor. We are learning Arabic alphabets. Arabic alphabets Huruful Arabiya. We have done so far 4 lessons. In each lesson we discuss one group. As learning Arabic alphabets in group is very easy as there is a clear pattern and we can learn very fast. In group number 1, lesson number 1, we discuss the two letter Alif and Hamza. In group number 2, we discuss the next three letters Ba, Ta and Sa. In group number 3, we'll learn the next three letters Jim, Ha and Kha. And in group number 4, we'll learn the next two letters Dal and Zal. Today we are learning the group number 4. In group number 4, it includes two letters Ra and Za. Ra and Za. Some people may call it Zai also, that is also right. But Za is more rhythmic and easy to learn. How to write it? It's very easy. It's just like a rectangle shape, half rectangle shape. Let's try it again. The basic shape of the both letters is the same, but the presence of one dot on the second letter make it different from the first. First letter is Ra and the second letter is Za. The equivalent of letter Ra in English is letter R and of letter Za in English is Z. The sound of letter R is just like a R. You can say just like a R in rain. And the sound of Z is just like Z. Just like you can say Z in zip. In the previous lesson, lesson number 4, we learned two letters Dal and Zal. Zal is quite similar to Za. Za and Zal are confusing letters. How much they are confusing, it will you learn in my another video, similar sounds Arabic alphabets. But here I would like to tell you some very clear difference. Zal is a soft letter as I told you in my previous video also, and Za is a sharp letter. Za make a whistle sound in its phonics, but Zal don't. So Za is a soft letter and Za is a whistle letter. Now let's move toward the articulation point. The articulation point of letter Ra is the tongue. The upper part of the tongue touch the gum line, it's adjacent, but little part of the tongue also touch the upper palate. The very beginning gum lines, along with the gum line, the little palate. It means not only the upper tongue part, also the upper surface of the tongue touch to the gum line. Ra have a you can say vibrating sound, just like a rain. In rain, when you say R, it has a rain. It's a vibrating sound. So also R has a vibrating sound. It's a sharp sound, and that articulation point is the tip of is the tongue. The upper part of the tongue and the little surface touch the gum line, the adjacent gum line. And for Za also pronounced from the tip of the tongue. For tip of the tongue, what I say, it is just the part which is in front of incisors. Tip of the tongue means the part of the tongue which is adjacent to incisors. So, Za is pronounced when the tip of the tongue touch the inside palate of two lower incisors, leaving a small space between the tongue and the incisors. Let me revise again. The articulation point of Za is the tip of the tongue, and these are your lower two incisors. when the tip of the tongue touch the lower two incisor, the inside plates, leaving a small space between the tongue and the incisor because za make a whistle sound. You can say when you touch the inside palate plates of the lower two incisors, you leave a small space, just like you when you make a whistle sound, you make a little space because z, za have a whistle sound. That is enough for today. If you want to learn Arabic in bite-sized lesson, subscribe my channel and visit my site. Assalamu alaikum.